So today I'm just going to show you how to recreate this shadow look behind these strips. It makes it look like you can pull the strips off the page just to give you this little shadow in this bottom corner. Really sets a design off. It brings it forward and it gives it depth. It doesn't look so flat. So what I've used is just a basic Instagram plain post, and I created 3 rectangles. So 3 rectangles. To get the shadow, I have just used a triangle shape. I'm just going to show you. Right, 3 rectangles. Press the R key on your keyboard. Got 1. Duplicate that. Got 2. And I've got 3. So 3 rectangles. I'm going to make them different colours so we can see the shadow. I'll do that one a light colour. And then all I've done is gone over to the shape section and I've found the triangle shape. I've stretched it out and I've given it a slight tilt because of the direction of my shadow. I just want this corner as a shadow, so I don't want this corner. So I've just given it a slight tilt, so I just get this corner. What we need to do is download this triangle as a PNG. So once you've got your 3 squares and you've got a triangle shape that you've just given a slight tilt to, we need to go to download and download page 2. So we just need to download our triangle as a PNG. If we upload the triangle, which is here, and then we go back to our 3 squares and we remove the background remover. So if you've got Pro, you can do this. You'll have the background remover in the effects section. Okay, so now we have our 3 squares and we have a shape that will hopefully become our shadow in these corners. To do that, we need to go to adjust and we adjust the blur. You can see it's beginning to look shadow-like now. And then, just going to get rid of a little bit of the empty space here. We take it into the bottom corner, use the up, down, left, right keys, or the nudge function to get it into this corner. Go to position and send it to the back. If I move this one down, you can see you're beginning to get a shadow effect. You can take it up if you don't want it too shadowy. Pull it out if you want it a bit longer. It's really just a case of having a play and how best you would like this shadow. Okay, so we now want to put our green square here underneath, but we want this shadow effect to be on top of our green square and underneath our pink one. So it's making it on top of the one below, but underneath the one on top. We can duplicate this, bring it down, and place it under the corner of the next one. We want to send this all the way to the back. Just adjust it so it looks right. And then we'll bring our bottom square up. So we want it to stay under this one, but I want this one to go to the back. So we now have the shadow under these 2 corners. You do need to remember to add it to the bottom one as well. And then if we click on the shadow and we send that to the back, you then have 3 shadows underneath your 3 squares. So just remember, keep it underneath the one on top, below the next one. So whatever's in this corner has to be under the one on top and below the next one. And that's it really. It's as simple as that. So I'd love to see what you do. I'd love to see your shadow effects. If you recreate this, I would absolutely love to see it. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.